Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to run the built-in audio troubleshooter in Windows 11. This pretty simple tool can automatically detect and resolve many common audio problems on your Windows device, thereby saving you time and frustration. That's it, let's get started. So first up, you have to hit the Start menu and then choose the Settings tab. And then you have to select the System tab located in the left sidebar. After that, you have to choose the Troubleshoot option. And then you have to select the Other Troubleshooters option. And under the Most Frequent section, look for Playing Audio option. And then you have to click on Run beside it. Windows will now start diagnosing any sound-related issues on your device. If Windows detects an issue, it will automatically apply a fix. And once it is done, you have to restart your PC to ensure the changes take effect. And after restarting, check if your sound is back to normal. And that's pretty much it. Using the audio troubleshooter in Windows 11 is an easy way to get your sound working again. If this guide has helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye-bye.